Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento 2 Certified Professional Developer exam. So today we are going to learn about the module registration in Magento 2. Magento 2 components including the modules, themes and the language packages must be registered in the Magento system through the Magento component registrar class, right? So whenever we have to register the module, what we have to do is there is a registration.php file in your particular module, right? So let me open and check this one. So here this is a basic module, right? And this is file contains the registration.php file, right? So here you can see that here also in the component registrar class we have the module. So if I want to register a module, I need to add here module. If I want to register theme, so I need to add the theme. Then if I want to add the libraries, then I need to add the libraries. Okay, so there are ways to register a module. If you want to add a modules, then you will go with the module over here. If I want to go with the themes, so here you can see that I need to go with the theme part, right? Here you can see that the theme is there, right? If I want to go with the language, so here you can add the language part. Okay, so next one, if you want to go with the libraries, so component registrar class with the library part. Okay, and the next one is composer.json. If you go and see this one, they have the composer.json file which includes autoload psr4, this one, and the files would be included first, that is registration.php. Okay, so here you can see that autoload files, that is compose like files is registration.php, where we are including the this module, right? So these are the things to register a module like the way. Okay, so this is how we can register a modules in various modules in our Magento 2 system. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.